Hello friends, in this video I am talking about what is chiller descaling. Full information about chiller descaling. This is the part 1. In second video I am talking about chiller descaling chemicals. Okay, imagine your chiller is like the human heart. Now think what happen it is if the arteries start clogging up with the waste. Blood flow drops. Doctor says we need the descaling. Remove the blockage or the system will fail. Yes, this is exactly what happens inside an HVAC chillers. When scaling deposits inside the tubes, clogging efficiency crashes, power consumption shorts up, and eventually the entire building goes into the AC not cooling mode. Yes, that's why chiller descaling is not just maintenance; it's a life-saving treatment for your chiller. Yes. So, explained in easy way. Tense. An HVAC chiller cools water and the chilled water circuits throughout the building, but over time the minerals and the dirt start sticking inside the cooling tubes, forming a the hard layer called scale depositing. Yes, calcium, magnesium, silica, dust, just like okay. So friends, just like a white layer inside a water bottles, a scale build up in a geyser coils, white crust inside a kettle. So now imagine the same step born white crust forming inside your chiller tubes. The what is the result? Do like this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. First is cooling efficiency drops, and second is compressor load doubles, and next is electricity bill shoots up, and next is chiller may even trip. Okay, and the only reliable solution is de-escaling. Yes, so let's see the simple explanation. What is chiller de-escaling, friends? Chiller de-escaling means dissolving and removing hard scaling from the condenser, evaporator, or the heat exchanger tubes using chemical. Let's see in the one line. Let's see in one line. Descaling is equal to what is descaling? Descaling is equal to tube cleaning plus restoring efficiency plus reviving the chiller. Okay, this is done on descaling is done on condenser tube, and second is evaporator tube, and next done in plates heat exchanger and cell and tube heat exchanger, and cooling tower piping also doing de-escaling. Okay, let's see the objectives of this de-escaling. Friends, do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel and support my YouTube channel. Okay friends, objective of descaling is restore heat transfer, improve water flow, and reduce energy consumption. Okay, and increase equipment life. Okay, just like a dentist removing the plaque from the teeth, descaling remove the plaque like the deposit from the tubes. Let's see the short real example of descaling. So let's get started and see the story. Friends, imagine your hotels has a 300 TR water cooled chiller. Okay, before descaling, new installation. After new installation, before descaling, chill water chilled 6 degrees Celsius. Chiller doing chill water 6 degrees Celsius. Second, good cooling, and third is a smooth compressor performance. After month later, yani do 3 to 4 month later, water stuck at 10 to 12 degrees Celsius and guest complaining of heating. Okay, electricity bill increase 25%. Compressor overloaded. What technician say? Technician say the engineer, sir, condenser is choked with the scale. If you do not descaling, the chiller will trip. Yes, this is true. After doing the descaling, let's see the story. After doing descaling, chilled water back to 6 to 7 degrees Celsius, and compressor load drops, and power saving increase 10 to 12%, 10 to 20% power saving increase. Okay, and cooling become fresh again. Okay, so that's the magic. Yes, One proper descaling is equal to a smooth operation for the year. Okay, friends, why does scaling happens in chiller? Do you know why does scaling happens in chiller? Let's see the main reason of scaling in chiller. First is hard water. Yes, calcium plus magnesium forms a cement-like layer on the tube walls. Okay. Second is dirty cooling tower water. Yes, dust plus dirt enter tubes and settle inside. And third is high temperature operation, like the scale forms in a kettle form in condenser tubes. And fourth is corrosion. Yes, corrosion. Rust combines with the minerals is equal to blockage. And fifth is poor wastewater treatment. Yes, bad water treatment is equal to guarantee a skill. Why you must do chiller descaling? So let's see the scaling cause. Why you must do chiller descaling? First, scaling cause 30 to 35% efficiency loss, high compressor load, higher electricity bills, tube blockage and failure, continuous low cooling complaints, and lower equipment labs. Okay, let's see this is the biggest loss of chiller scaling. Okay, friends, the biggest loss is hug any higher rise in electricity cost. Okay, friends, chillers works harder, more energy consumed. Friends, let's see the why chiller descaling is important. Friends, imagine the scale inside your household pipes. Even 1 mm scale reduce water flow drastically. In the chiller scale can grow 3 to 4 mm thick. Industry truth is 1 mm scale is equal to more than 10% efficiency loss. Okay, now imagine 4 mm scale. Okay, the chiller is forced to work double. The chiller is forced to work double. Okay, friends, top reason descaling is extremely important. uh, is First is heat transfer drop 50 to 60%. Chiller tubes transfer heat between to hot water to refrigerant. Okay, friend, and a scale acts like the insulation. A scale act like insulation. Heat cannot move across it, so heat transfer cannot be possible. What is the result is cooling fails and water not cooled. Okay, friends, second is compressor overload. Yes, this is the most important thing. Scaling is equal to hot return water is equal to higher pressure is equal to compressor trip. And worst case is compressor motor burns, massive repair cost. Okay, and next is energy consumption increase after scaling is 15 to 30% energy consumption increase after scale. Chiller is the largest energy consumer in HVAC. Yes, scaling is equal to more power need, and after remove scale instead power saving. Okay, and fourth is tube failure and leakage. Yes, after scaling, scale plus corrosion is equal to pinholes and tube leakage refrigerant and water contamination. It's refrigerant and water contamination is equal to major breakdowns. Okay, fifth is cooling complaints everywhere. Yes, rooms warms, your rooms and offices warms, lobby humid, guest angry, technician stressed because so many complaints, and children cannot cool the water. Okay, descaling fix everything. Okay, friends, do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. In next video we are talking about in descaling which chemical used and why this chemical used. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Thank you.